Welcome back guys in a new video on BreakIT FixIT. Today we are gonna show you how to fix your third brake light. We are working on a 2003 Renault Megane, but the procedure is almost the same in most cars. Let's get started. Open the trunk. You will find 4 screws that you need to unscrew in order to remove the plastic panel. Then gently pull the panel from the edges and be careful not to break the plastic clips. After that, remove the side panels. Finally, remove the top one. The third brake light has 2 clips holding it in place. Push these clips outward to release the light. Remove the electric plug using a small screwdriver. Then remove the rear windshield washer spray nozzle. Now you need to check that you have 12 volts when you press the brake pedal. To do that, we are using a multimeter. Put the arrow on 20 DC, then connect the multimeter terminals to the brake light plug and go press the brakes to check for 12 volts. You can see when you press the brakes, we get around 12 volts. Now, let's go and check the brake light. There is 2 clips holding the circuit board to the frame. Remove it gently. Now you can take the circuit board out. Remove the plug. As you can see, there is some corrosion on the plug, which is causing the problem. We are using sandpaper to clean the electric terminals. After cleaning, re-plug the connector in its place and reinstall it back into the frame using the 2 clips. Now back to the car. Before reinstalling the light back in its place, try plugging the electric connector and test the light. As you can see, the light works, so we can finish installing the light now. Install the rear windshield washer spray nozzle back in its place and push the light back. Finally, put back all the plastic panels of the trunk. And there you go, that's how you fix your third brake light. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and consider subscribing to our channel for more videos.